Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you some hidden and awesome features of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 that you didn't know. Before we begin, let me tell you that this video is not a review and only shows certain features that most people doesn't know. With that off the table, let's begin. In the Mi Band 4, you can set a 4-digit PIN code lock. You can enable it from the Mi Fit app. There's a setting called Lab. Tap on it and set up a PIN. After that, if you let the band sit for a while on a table, it will detect that you aren't wearing it and will automatically lock itself. When it is locked, you can only access the watch face. For anything else, you'll have to enter the PIN. You can unlock your phone using the Mi Band 4. It not only works for Xiaomi phones, it also works with other devices. To turn it on, open the Mi Fit app and click on the Profile tab in the bottom right corner. Choose Mi Band 4 and now select the option Unlock Screen. The remaining steps may differ with different manufacturers. I am using the Google Smart Unlock feature. It works by adding the Mi Band 4 as a trusted device. One other awesome feature of the Mi Band 4 that I discovered lately is the touch to turn off display functionality. Covering the display with your hand will turn it off. You don't have to do any configuration to use this feature. This will work right out of the box. Night mode will reduce the brightness to the minimum automatically when the sun sets. You can schedule the night mode in the Mi Fit app. It will help you save a ton of battery.
Invincible.
With the Mi Band 4, you can directly control your music from the band. You can either pause, play or skip tracks. You can also adjust the volume from the band. This feature would come handy when you're using headphones. You can adjust the brightness of the band display from the band itself. To control the brightness, select More and scroll down and select Settings, and then select Brightness. There are thousands of custom watch faces available for the Mi Band 4. I'll leave the link to the app that is shown in this video in the description. And if you want to know more about custom watch faces, I have done a dedicated video about it. Go check it out. In the Mi Band 4, you can set custom vibrations for notifications, alarms, and even events. There's an icon on the bottom middle called Vibration, which lets you create your own custom vibrations. Tap on the screen to create your own vibration pattern. Well, this is it. These are all the hidden features that I found in the Mi Band 4. If I missed something, please drop them down in the comments below. Well everyone, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and hit that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Until next time.